Hi firms, you're welcome back to another video on tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a green screen animated subscribe button to your videos on Capcut for Windows as well as Mac. So once you have your Capcut opened and ready for edit, the next thing is to import your videos as well as your green screen animated subscriber button. The first thing is to drag your main video to the timeline. And once you have the main video on the timeline, the next thing is to drag the chroma video as well on the timeline. So we're going to just play back at this section where the chroma video is so that we can see what takes place. So now we have the chroma video for a subscribe button overlaid on the video, but with the green screen covering the part of the video. Now to fix this, what we have to do is just look to the top right section of the screen and click on remove background, and then you want to select chroma key, and once you have done that, you want to click on the color picker icon and then drag your mouse to select the color that you want to get rid of. So as soon as you do that, you can see that the color has been removed. So let's just play back a video and see how that takes place. So guys, you can see that the subscribe video is now properly overlaid on a video without the chroma background. So guys, the process is as simple as that. That's how to overlay your subscribe button on your video on Capcut for Windows or Mac. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.